Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn four simple Excel function: date, day, month, and year. In Excel, I've created a single line table to include day, month, and year in column B, C, and D, which we are going to use to calculate our function. Let's start with date function. The date function is used to create a complete date from separate year, month, and day values. For example, if you calculate date, type equal date, start bracket, select year from D6, comma, month from C6, comma, day from B6, and close bracket and press enter. Excel combine all these three values and give a full date, which is 14 Jan 20. Now, let's move on to date function and extract the day numbers from the date. So type equal day, start bracket, select the date, close bracket, and press enter. It shows 14, which is the day from our date. Now let's move on to month function. Month function gives the month number from the date. So type equal month, start bracket, select the date, close bracket, and enter. So 1 represent January month, which is the first month of the year. Finally, the year function. The year function extract the year part from the date. Type equal year, start bracket, select the date, close bracket, and enter. So 2020, which is the year from the date. That's how easily you can use date, day, month, and year function in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more Excel hacks.